Everyone, please confirm. Can you see me? And am I audible? Yes. Okay. Yes. So everyone, for the question, do you want to clear prelims 2021? I have the answer. I have the answer. How? How? I am coming up with prelims test series. We as a team coming up with prelims test series and mentorship program 2021. Mentorship program 2021. So what I am here, what I am going to do here for another 8 months, we're starting from October 15th, the day after tomorrow, till June 15th. Total 8 months of timetable I'm going to give you. Weekly exams I will give, and on weekly basis, the decentralized, the devolved schedule I will be giving to you. So how it is going to be? So for the first time, complete challenging prelims mentorship batch for 2021, I am going to do as a team. I am going to lead the team. Premium prelims 8 months. This is a premium course. Why? Because we are doing a lot of hard work. So from 2 days, we made a very meticulously planned schedule. That schedule also I will be showing to you now. I will become your study partner. Yes, I will become your study partner. 40 general studies tests will be there and 10 CSAT tests will be there. Overall 50 major tests. These are major tests. 50 major tests will be there. Overall 50 tests for the next 8 months. How it is, I will be showing now. Daily schedule will be provided by me on weekly basis. That means if you have the test on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I will be sending you the schedule. That schedule I will be sending you into the Telegram channel which I created for this batch. Weekly basis schedule I will be giving. So Monday what you have to do, Tuesday you have to do, Wednesday what you have to do, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, weekly basis I will be giving. For the Sundays, general studies major test. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday for the test which is scheduled on Sunday, and exclusively Saturday, current affairs, that week current affairs. That week current affair test you will be having. So current affairs also we will be having on daily test on the Saturday on the day 6. And the final test will be on the day 7, which is Sunday. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you will be having a daily schedule. I will try my level best. I will try my level best. I will take it as a challenge to clear your prelims. A complete responsibility batch, yes, that is for sure. That is for sure a complete responsibility batch, which is for 8 months containing 50 tests. If you don't clear the prelims 2021, complete fee will be returned back into your bank account for the sake of transparency. For the sake of transparency. As I told you, I will give you 3 general studies, mains, scholarships. I gave 3 already. In the same way, if you are not going to clear, but I will make you to read, I will make you to study. If not, the money will be given back. Money is not a criteria. Course duration total 8 months complete schedule from October 15th to June 15th, 2021. Half an hour back only from yesterday, today, a team is working on that and we concluded it. Prelims test is on June 27, 2021. So for this 8 months, you have to be ready. I will work for you without any holiday. Only limited seats, yes, only limited seats. Seniors will be taken. Only those aspirants, only those students who are struggling to clear the prelims, who are going nearby and who are not clearing, for those students it is. Not for the beginners, not at all for the beginners. I am open. If you are a beginner, I am not going to take your seat. Only those people who have limited knowledge, on that limited knowledge, I will be helping you to clear the prelims. Limited online seats. We thought we will have offline seats, but because of the government restrictions, we are unable to have the offline seats. Why I put this particular point? Because I thought I will go on offline also. A lot of students are asking. For them, I am giving the clarity. So it is online. Procedure of the course, daily study schedule will be given. Morning you will be having the class, evening you will be having the exam. And on the exam conducted, next day you will be having the discussion for 30 minutes and 1 hour class on the today's exam. In that way, you will be having every day 1.5 hours of class. Morning 1 hour for the today's evening class and 30 minutes discussion for the yesterday's exam. Daily study schedule will be given, daily test on the study schedule which is given. Yes. So as per the schedule, weekly test which I am giving, daily test will be there. You just give your 3 hours of time. 3 hours of time and 1.5 hour of class. 4.5 hour of time is enough. 3 hours you have to prepare 1.5 hour to me for my class and for the team class. Yes. With the daily test, objective type with explanation plus 50 tests, objective type with explanation. Daily classes by me and my team. Who are the team? The geography we have Vijay sir. For economy we have Venkatesh sir. We have Prudvidhar Reddy sir for science and technology. Yes. And me. Any queries you can have my email ID. For all the details you can call this number. So now I will be going with, I will be moving on to the schedule. I hope you are able to see the schedule, isn't it? Why? Because it's a PDF. Just one doubt. Are you able to see? Confirm it. Are you able to see the PDF? Yes, that's enough. So test 1 starts 25th October. We are going to start with polity. This is the first test. But for this first test, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, I am going to make you prepare for the daily test for this 10 days from 15th to 24th. And 25th, you will be having the major test. So on 15th, you will be getting the test, the schedule for the test 1. After writing the test 1, you will be getting the schedule for test 2. After writing the test 2, you will be getting the schedule for test 3. This is the major test. Sources also I mentioned from where you have to read. Here I didn't mention my PDF, but my PDF also will be provided. My own class notes will be provided. Apart from the constitution, NCERTs, yes. On daily test morning class, NCERTs also we will be doing. Relevant topic NCERTs we will be doing. Relevant topic NCERT questions will be asked. NCERT, Indian polity will be the basic books. Indian polity, NCERT will be the basic books added with my PDF for test 1. Similarly, we will be going for test 2. Division, central government, state government, Indian federalism, local government. Similarly, test 3 on 8th November. So if it is 8th November means this is on 1st November. So that means 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. 7th is current affair. Every Saturday you will be having a current affair test. Every Saturday you will be having the current affair test. On 8th November, polity you will be having. Then after 8th November, 15th November will be the test 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have to prepare for the 15th November test. So 1, 2, 3, first test, second test, third test, exclusively Indian polity. So you have to become 100% clear in this test 1, test 2, test 3. Test 4 is about physical geography and world geography, and test 5 is about Indian geography. 2 tests for geography. See, physical geography, Indian geography. Then for the test 6, we will be going for economy. 6 and 7, economy, division of the syllabus. Again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you will be ready for this daily test. 6 and 7, economy. This is economy, and 7th is economy. And for the test 8, environment and ecology. Environment and ecology, the syllabus is limited, but I gave 2 tests. So 2 times you will be reading the environment and ecology. Environment and ecology. Test 8 and test 9, environment and ecology. Most from last 5 years, 12 questions are coming from environment and ecology. Shall I give you the reasoning? Because Indian Forest Service is also having the common prelims. So in order to address the Indian Forest Service, they are giving more questions in environment. We will be having environment questions. Test 8 and test 9. Then test 10 is ancient history, medieval history. Test 11 is art and culture. Why? Because you know, art and culture, ancient India, medieval India was this time huge number of questions were being asked. Hence, we are focusing on this art and culture. Then test 12, modern India. Test 12 is modern India. That means for history, I dedicated 3 tests: ancient and medieval, art and culture, and modern India. And for polity, 3. And for geography, 2. And for economy, 2. And for environment and ecology, 2. So in that way, the static subjects, environment is little dynamic, but I consider as a static. So within this 3 plus 2 plus 2, by 10 tests, you will be having command over the static subjects. Till 12 tests. Till 12 tests. Now test 13. Complete revision. So now we will be entering into the revision by 17th January. See the date also. 17th January, we will be entering into the revision. Topics mentioned in the test 1, 2, and 3. Complete polity 1. First, already you did it. So the revision starts from here. Revision number 1. Complete polity 1 test, which is 13th. Complete geography 14. Complete economy 15. Complete ancient and medieval 16. Complete modern India 17. Here art and culture is also added. Complete ecology and environment 18. Now onwards, from test 18th onwards, test 18th onwards, you will be having 2 tests per week. Why? Because from February 15th onwards, you have to sit for prelims. February 15th onwards. Why? Because March 15th, April 15th, May 15th, and June 15th. 4 months are there. Exclusively, you have to sit for the prelims. Why? Because my responsibility to make you clear the prelims. That's why from February 15th onwards, full-fledged focus on prelims only. So weekly 2 tests you will be having. Complete ecology and environment. Test 19, complete SNT test, science and technology questions test will be there. After daily test again. Complete current affairs 1. International organization, government schemes, and recent legislations 1. Again, second revision you are coming by 4th March. Complete polity 2. Again, 7. Who missed the first revision? Second revision. Complete polity 2. Complete geography 2. Complete history 2. Complete ecology and environment 2. Complete science and technology 2. Complete current affair 2. Again, international organization, government schemes, and recent legislations 2. Economic survey and budget 20th March. So by this particular time, by test 30, you will be completing the revision of the total syllabus, total divided syllabus. Then after, we will be having 2 grand revisions. So initially division, then grand exclusive polity revision, exclusive environment revision, exclusive science and technology revision 2 times. So by this time, test 30s, 30 tests are completed by 1st April. But 1st April onwards, April, May, June 15th, only 2.5 months is there. Now we will be going for comprehensive tests. Start of comprehensive GS tests. More number of tests. GS1 means GS test 1, comprehensive test. CSAT also starts from 11th April. CSAT, again I divided the CSAT. It will be comprehension, numbers, HCM, LCM, little bit of quantitative aptitude which you have to do. For that, you will be having the regular classes also. So 11th April, you will be having CSAT 1 on topics of quantitative aptitude. Then again comprehensive test GS2. Again the comprehensive GS2. Then CSAT 2. Series means reasoning. So first test of CSAT was been quantitative aptitude, and second test of CSAT will be reasoning added with comprehension passages. Comprehension passages you have to learn. So you will be having a sequential reasoning type of questions. Then again test 35 is GS3. Again comprehensive test. CSAT 3 onwards. So 8 comprehensive tests you will be having. So from 25th April onwards, CSAT, now onwards, CSAT 3, CSAT 4, CSAT 5, CSAT 6, CSAT 7, CSAT 8, CSAT 9, CSAT 10. Comprehensive tests you will be having. So after the change in the trend in 2014 onwards, some of the previous questions will be added in this comprehensive tests. And expected questions will be added in this 8 comprehensive tests of CSAT. Why? Because nearly 10 students called me and they told that, sir, I am clearing prelims, I am getting nearly up to 120 marks in GS. Sir, but CSAT I am getting only 60 marks. CSAT I am getting somewhere around 63. I am not able to clear the CSAT. So focus should be on the CSAT also. So 10 tests will be CSAT, 8 will be comprehensive tests, 2 will be one will be quantitative, one will be reasoning, and rest 8 will be the comprehensive tests. And 30 onwards GS के लिए 10, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40 tests will be comprehensive tests. So 1 to 13, 1 to 13 tests are microscopic major tests for which we will be having daily tests. Then from 13 to 30 means 17 tests, 14 to 30, 17 tests will be module revisions, polity revision, environment revision, geography revision. So 2 times revision will be happening from 14 to 30, then 30 to 40 GS is exclusive comprehensive tests. So 200 into 10, 2000 bits you will be doing, and 40 into 100 bits, that is 4000 objective types you will be doing from this particular 40 GS tests. Very carefully made question paper you will be getting. This is major test, and daily test, daily 10 questions you will be getting. Means every week 60. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 60. So total you will be doing 60 into another 30. Means 60 into another 13, 1800 questions on daily basis you will be doing. So by the end of the session, you will be having 5800 questions you will be doing, and 5800 MCQs model answers you will be having. So only basic requirement is that you have to study. You have to follow me. That is the requirement. What is eligibility, sir? What is the eligibility criteria, sir? What is essentiality means? The answer is you have to study with me parallelly. You have to move with me parallelly. That is the basic requirement. So the test 37, GS4, comprehensive test, test 38, on all topics as described in 36, CSAT 4, GS5, GS6, CSAT 6, GS7 means comprehensive test, GS8 comprehensive test, CSAT 8 comprehensive test, GS9 comprehensive test, CSAT 9 comprehensive test, GS10 comprehensive test 49, CSAT 10 comprehensive test. So by 13th June, I am going to liberate you. I am going to leave you. So you have to be confident by the June 14th only. Yes, I am going to clear the prelims, which is going to conducted by the UPSC on 27th June. On every Saturday, before the subject tests on Sundays held as mentioned above, a separate test on current affairs will be held covering all topics that appeared in the newspaper. So current affairs exclusive Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday will be, you will be preparing for the major test. This is about the schedule. Any one of you have any doubts, you can ask me now. Please go on. So daily 3 hours for your preparation, 1.5 hour for class, 4.5 hour. Another 4 hours for your GS mains preparation according to your schedule, according to your plan, according to your teacher. Another 4 hours for your optional. That too till February 15th. But after February 15th, exclusively you have to sit for prelims only. I will provide the source. Morning only I will be providing the source. Morning I will take the class on daily basis. Current affairs will be covered. Current affairs will be covered and you will be having the test on Sunday. Yes, current affairs of daily test will be of 10 questions and Sunday test will be of 100 questions. Yes, it will be, it can also cover mains, yes. Sir, can you please give brief description on what exactly will be discussed in the class before the daily test? Simple, see. For example, today I am going to discuss about Delhi Sultanate. The history sir will tell. History teacher will discuss about the Delhi Sultanate. So who are the kings in Delhi Sultanate? What are the social, political, economical, cultural situations of Delhi Sultanate? On Delhi Sultanate, what are the previous questions asked earlier? And the explanation of Delhi Sultanate in a brief. And I will be telling you the resource from where you have to study. So 1 hour will be the summary, brief explanation with the previous year's questions, so that you will be understanding the Delhi Sultanate, how the questions are coming. And in that 3 hours, I will be giving you the guideline and you have to read that book. From 2009, Sai Kalyan Chakravarti, if you see from 2009, it's enough. Why? Because The pattern changed from 2009. Current affairs of ours only, no. Current affairs will be, I will be providing you the source. As I showed you in the evidence, from our daily MCQs, 11 questions came. I gave you the evidence also. I forwarded in all the groups. You can cross check it. Yes, now itself, after the class, now I will send the group. I will send the schedule. This schedule I will be sending now itself. Yes, current affairs. Yes, true. Yes, Divya. Any more doubts? Anyone? Yes, it is online generated. So according to the time you have to write. Why? Because time management is important. It's not like mains. So time management you have to do. Sir, in the beginning of the class today, you said this is not for beginners, sir. I have still not completed many subjects, so it is fine for me. Okay. So you can call me. I will explain you. Once I will talk to you and I can come to a conclusion. Yes, yes, I will do that. First, any doubts you can ask me. Any doubts? No doubts means I will wind the session. Yes, yes. Yes, Tejasvi. Yes, you should have a basic idea. Then only you will clear the prelims. If not, it will become very tough. Little bit idea you have to have. So the current affairs material that will clear will cover both prelims and mains, right? Yes. Okay. Any doubts, you can message me. Thank you.